August marks Women's Month. Reporting live from Latsana Stadium, today marks the 25th of August, which is still Women's Month. And today, a forum of women empowerment few today took the initiative to actually gather different sports teams, basketball, netball and soccer, for women to play. The tournament is particularly about advancing women's rights and the exposure of women who play sports as compared to their male counterparts. Forum for the Empowerment of Women is a lesbian team particularly, but they felt the need to take the opportunity for this day. It is an annual event.
Yes, as Krista, I believe this tournament, the initiative, it's about like growing women in sport and whatever. And in South Africa, women are not recognized sports-wise. We don't have like professional leagues and that kind of thing. And this is an exposure and us voicing out say that as women, we believe in sports, we love sports, and we need somebody to support us. And I think it's good that people have turned up. They came to the games and whatnot. On a Saturday, people have games on Saturdays. And with the 1,000 rand that we're going to win, which I'm sure, we're going to put on petrol. We drove from all the way from Stanton side, whatever, to come this side. So we're gonna, put petrol or probably go buy meat. And the game, we could have done better, but I think it's also the conditions. It's windy, it's a bit hot and stuff. So yeah, but I'm really happy that this is happening, and that's why we're here, and we need more of these things.
More people to come and participate in the sport. In terms of profession, recreation or leisure time, just to keep away from social distractions, keeping fit, wellness, and just interaction and social, building self-confidence, building relationships, making friends, and sportsmanship. And mostly women need to be more active than they are at the moment.
Hi, my name is Matshidiso Mofokeng. I'm from Phosphorus in Historian. I'm 24 years old. I'm part of Chosen Few, which I'm the management of Chosen Few. Today's tournament is all about bringing all women from different culture and race and sexuality to embrace our womanhood. And again, because here in South Africa we don't mostly find women in sport because they're not given opportunity. So today that's what we're doing, to show women to do their skills, to show off what they have as women. And again, bringing all different teams, because for example Chosen Few is a strictly lesbian team, and we have different teams which are not lesbians, but what we're trying to do, we're trying to break the diversity, which from being lesbian and being straight, which we cannot be together. All of the day we're all women. So today we want women to enjoy themselves and have fun, and like this is our space, let's enjoy it. Hey, let's have fun.
I would encourage everyone, women, young kids, young girls, young men, young boys, to participate in sport, because sport is not only helping you to be fit physically, but even mentally you get to be, flexible, and you tend to think wisely, and I would encourage them to participate in such projects, because these projects are their project, young people's project, so that they get out of streets. There's nyaupes where people, young kids are exposed to. So when they participate in soccer, in sports, they get to, their mind gets to shift in those things that are, those bad things that are happening in our townships. Yeah, we want this tournament to grow. It has grown because it's the 4th year that we have hosted this tournament. First year it was soccer only, and second year, and then third and this year we've introduced basketball, netball and volleyball. However, volleyball is not here because we couldn't find volleyball teams. We would like to say thank you to the sponsors, and we would like to say we want to encourage other sponsors.
My name is Buitumelo from the UJ alumni. and I'm here in Soweto at Mlotsane for the Women's Forum, basically enhancing women's sports in South Africa. I think it's good initiation because we're not well exposed and we're not giving so much power as women in sports, and I think with regards to that there'll be great development if this is shown, and I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to be with my team. As a sports player, especially being a woman, it's great to be here. So I'd actually encourage all the young ladies, and also even if you're still old, fitness and exercise is very great. So you need to be here so that you can be able to keep fit and be able to express yourself. If maybe you're not a speaker, but in sports you can be able to express yourself as a woman.
We're hoping for the outcome of the event to be a blissful one. Every team is participating and they're excited about their games and they're all looking forward to winning the prize. The prize given is 1,000 rand for each team that wins in the different sporting games. And reporting live for Youth Fit Africa, Kopano Sibego.